Are you someone who won't step out without makeup? Does your monthly shopping always include the latest makeup launches? If you nodded yes to any of these questions, then yes, you are a true makeup fanatic. However, I hate to break it to you that makeup can take a toll on your skin in the long run. Hi guys, I'm Saji and today I'm going to share 5 skincare tips every makeup lover should follow to keep your skin healthy and happy even if you wear makeup every single day. The first tip to great skin is to incorporate serum in your skincare routine. I'm sure you must be following your CTM, which is cleansing, toning and moisturizing routine, but that's not enough for the skin to look and feel good. Face serums are lightweight moisturizers that penetrate deeper to deliver active ingredients into the skin. With regular makeup applications, my skin goes through a lot. So to avoid any kind of skin issues, I like to use the Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Radiance Overnight Oil and Serum. It has glow-boosting ingredients and nourishing face oils such as argan oil that can transform your skin game. It's extremely lightweight and gets absorbed in a tick. You can literally sleep your way into nourished and glowing skin by including this face serum in your nighttime skincare routine. The second tip is to wait 30 to 60 seconds in between application of your skincare products. I'm sure you guys know the right order for layering skin products. If you don't, then let me give you a small recap. It's cleanser, then toner, then serum, then moisturizer, and lastly sunscreen. Applying products in the right order will maximize the efficiency of each product. However, waiting time between each product is equally important because certain product textures can roll up if you apply them back to back. So waiting for each product to settle into the skin before reaching for the next is the best way to ensure a proper skin prep. We all know how important it is to apply sunscreen before heading out. But when you're wearing makeup, you may be tempted to skip it because it can be a little too greasy or too thick and sometimes give you that hideous white cast. But you really shouldn't, as the SPF in your makeup products is not enough to protect your skin from UV damage. I like to use a matte, lightweight, non-greasy, non-sticky sunscreen like this one. The Lakme Sun Expert SPF 50 Ultra Matte Gel Sunscreen. Its ultra matte texture glides on effortlessly and seeps into your skin so fast and barely feels like you're wearing anything. The other thing that you need to keep in mind is sunscreen should be worn every day all year round. Be it winter or monsoon, never skip sunscreen. And just like your other skincare products, apply it all the way down to your neck. Don't skip that part. Repeat after me, I'll never skip primer again. Yes, a primer is used to prep your skin before makeup. I bet once you start using a primer, you'll forget what a meltdown is. Firstly, the application of primer increases the longevity of the makeup. Secondly, a primer creates a smooth canvas for even application. Thirdly, primer helps blur skin imperfections. It's literally a holy grail product. I like to use the Lakme Absolute Undercover Gel Face Primer. It's enriched with vitamin E that nourishes the skin for that added glow without making the face look oily and greasy. The gel texture creates a smooth base for easy makeup application. Although all of us are aware of the umpteen benefits of exfoliation, we are also guilty of not exfoliating on a regular basis. Exfoliation thoroughly cleanses your pores from deep within and improves your skin texture so that your makeup does not look patchy or cakey. Plus, since most base makeup products are oil-based and heavy, they usually clog your pores if not taken off properly. So make sure you use a scrub like this one. The St. Ivy's Radiant Skin Pink Lemon and Mandarin Orange Scrub to remove dead skin cells and deep settled product buildup at least twice a week. So guys, I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you are a true makeup lover like me, you need to follow a skincare routine that complements your makeup too. So make sure you give these tips a shot, and of course before you leave, go ahead and subscribe to Be Beautiful, tap that bell icon and stay updated with our latest videos. Bye.